Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my channel Car Experts after a really long time. And in today's video I'm not going to review any cars, but instead I'm going to give you my thoughts and my final verdict on the Tesla Cybertruck. Now the Tesla Cybertruck was launched 5 months ago and I know that I'm pretty late at this topic, but anyways, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So there are a ton of videos on YouTube that compare the mid-level and the highest tier of the Tesla Cybertruck to the other vehicles, but in this video I'm going to only talk about the base model of the Tesla Cybertruck because it's the only model that people will go for since it's most affordable. So in this video we're going to only talk about that. So let's just quickly just talk about the specs of this vehicle. Now this thing costs around $39,990 in the US, that translates to this much rupees in India. And this thing is only rear wheel drive, can do 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds, payload capacity of 3500 and a towing capacity of 7500. Now I would say that these specs are pretty mediocre, especially in this price range. There are a lot of trucks that could either tow more stuff or have a better off-roading capabilities. So let's just get on to the comparison of the Tesla Cybertruck. Now I'm going to compare it on three bases: its off-roading capabilities, its truck uses, and just its looks and all the features and all. So let's just get first with the off-roading capabilities, and I would say the base model Cybertruck is already out of that game because it's just a rear wheel drive pickup truck, and in off-roading world it's just not acceptable. Regarding to the truck uses, it has a very good payload capacity of 3500, which is pretty impressive, but the towing capacity is where this truck falls down, and that's because it can only tow up to 7500 pounds, which is pretty mediocre at this price range. Because at $33,000 the Toyota Tundra can actually pull 10,200 pounds, which is impressive. I mean, it has a lower payload capacity, but you can tow more stuff with it. And yeah, also about the range, the Tesla Cybertruck, the base model, has a range of only 250 miles, which is pretty bad, I would say. But the thing is that if you are pulling 7500 pounds, the range could actually diminish to a lot of extent, and that makes longer route trips uh, really a pain, because you have to stop every few miles and then you have to recharge there and wait for some time to charge this truck up. So that's another problem with this Tesla Cybertruck. And regarding to the design of the Tesla Cybertruck, some people say that it looks good, it looks futuristic. I would say that thing just straight up looks ugly, because it just looks like a truck that is made for show and not just, it doesn't really look practical. That's why some people just really hate it, because it's just so minimalist design, and that's one part that I don't like about the Tesla Cybertruck. So, and also the last thing about the features, I would only say that this truck is pretty well equipped. I mean, this thing has autopilot, which is a very nice feature, but till this truck would be released, there would be a lot of auto manufacturers that would get to that amount of technology. They could catch up with this, the intelligence of the autopilot in the Tesla Cybertruck. So we are almost at the end of the video, and my final verdict on this Cybertruck is the truck is just isn't worth it. There are a lot of different options out there in the market which is cheaper, more powerful, and can have better off-roading capabilities than the Tesla Cybertruck, and in this case you are not getting what you pay for. So that is a very bigger disappointment to the Tesla Cybertruck. I think what should Tesla do is that they should just scrap the design and start over again. Now, if you're wondering why didn't I talk about the exoskeleton and the bulletproofing and all that stuff, because these features no one really is going to care. And with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I have a small announcement to make. I'm going to make such videos on my YouTube channel. This is going to be a new sequel. So let me know in the comment section below, would you like me making these types of videos? And thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you around.
Please bear with us. So It's actually hard to tell. It's hard to tell which is which, really. We took the brands off, but it's hard to tell which is which.
Seriously, anyone can tell that that's a Ford F-150, a Dodge Ram 1500 and a Chevrolet Silverado.